Hello, my name is Dr. Linda Veltri, and I'm Associate Professor and Director of Nursing here at Northwest Christian University, as well as your faculty for this graduate writing seminar course. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the Masters in Nursing program, as well as to this writing course. The purpose of this course is to assist you as a professional nurse and nurse leader to develop excellent ability to communicate in written form. In this course, you will develop skills related to writing clearly and concisely, as well as build upon prior knowledge of APA. For example, the master's ground rules for APA build upon those learned in your baccalaureate nursing program by requiring an abstract and properly formatted abbreviations, numbers, and tables in your papers. Course assignments are designed to assess your existing knowledge about writing in APA, in addition to providing opportunity to apply new learning to forum posts and other written assignments. Many excellent videos related to writing in APA have been linked in this course that you may decide to bookmark and save for future use. You will note that readings are straight from the 6th edition of the APA manual, and that was done on purpose because it's important that you become familiar with and comfortable using this very, very valuable resource. Please also note that the APA Style Guide to Electronic Resources is linked under the Course Resource tab, and this is yet another valuable resource and comprehensive guide to citing sources retrieved online from websites or any other electronic type of sources that you might use in your writing. Please take some time to review the course syllabus, which provides information about the 2 online quizzes you will take, the forum seminar discussion you will post to, the title and reference page, professional portfolio, and signature assignments that you will complete. You will also find information about assignment due dates and grading criteria in the syllabus. I hope you will like the new Read, Attend, Discuss, Complete format being used in the MSN program to organize the weekly course schedule in the syllabus and in Beacon Learning. On a final note, feel free to blast through this course at your own speed, and yet please also be mindful of due dates, especially if you're working slower through the modules. I do suspect that some units of content will be a refresher and easily completed, and others will take some time to digest the new concepts being learned. I'm happy to address any APA or writing questions that may come up in this or other courses you are taking. Feel free to post questions in the forums so that all students can see my response to your question and contribute to their learning in that way. Otherwise, feel free to email me at my NCU email address. Again, welcome to this course. I'm looking forward to helping you work on your writing skills and your understanding of APA, because these are skills that will move forward with you throughout your master's program and will help you be a better communicator. Thank you.